Capital subscription. For raising capital from the public, there are certain formalities to be fulfilled by the company. The following will explain the same. SEBI approval. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, is the highest regulatory authority of India. It lays down guidelines for information disclosure to protect the investors. A public company that wishes to raise funds from the public must follow these guidelines. Filing of prospectus. A company that wishes to raise funds from the public by selling shares and debentures need to file a prospectus with the registrar of company. It is a document which is either an advertisement or an invitation to the share buyers. The information provided in this document is what attracts the investors to the company. Appointment of bankers, brokers, and underwriters. Raising funds from the public needs special expertise. Bankers of the company receive the money raised. Brokers sell the shares to the public. If the company feels that public interest is not high, it hires underwriters to buy the shares that are not purchased by the public. Minimum subscription. It is the minimum number of shares subscribed to the total shares issued. If the overall subscription is below this, money has to be returned to the subscribers. As per SEBI, for a share issue, the minimum subscription is 90% of the share size. Application to stock exchange. A company must apply to a stock exchange for handling its shares or debentures. This application is to be accepted by the stock exchange within 10 weeks. Otherwise, the company has to repay the money to the applicants. Allotment of shares. Money received through applications is to be placed in a bank account until the shares are allotted. Successful applicants will receive allotment letters signed by the director or company secretary. In case of discrepancies like fewer shares allotted to the applicant or no shares available for the applicant, money shall be returned to them.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.